In previous videos, I've shown you a brief overview of using filters in Excel. In this section, I will demonstrate advanced filtering, applying multiple filters, searching with filters, and exploring number filter options. First, let's apply a filter. You can do this from the Data tab by clicking on the filter option, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+L. To filter by gender, select the gender column, click the filter drop-down, and choose Female. Press OK. Now, let's add another filter to the already filtered data. In the Location column, click the filter drop-down and select New York. Press OK again. This will show only the data for females in New York. To remove the filter from the Location column, open the filter drop-down and select Clear Filter from Location. Do the same for the gender filter by selecting Clear Filter from Gender. To remove all filters at once, press Ctrl+Shift+L again, or you can manually remove the filters from each column. Now, let's sort the Names column in alphabetical order. Click the filter drop-down in the Names column and select Sort A to Z. This will arrange the rows alphabetically. To sort the Total Sales column from the largest to smallest, click the filter drop-down in the Total Sales column and select Largest to Smallest. This will reorder the rows based on the sales values. Next, let's search for a specific record using the filter. Go to the Names column, click the filter drop-down, and in the search box, type the name you want to find. I'll search for Mia. The filter will show only the records matching your search criteria. Let's try one of the number filters. Go to the Total Sales column, click the filter drop-down, and select Number Filters, then Between. A window will appear where you can enter a range of values. In the first box, enter the minimum value, and in the second box, enter the maximum value. Press OK. The filter will now display only the values that fall within the specified range. Finally, to clear the filters, you can either press Ctrl+Shift+L or manually clear the filters from each column. By mastering these advanced filtering techniques, you can efficiently manage and analyze your data in Excel. Practice these tasks to get a better grasp of using filters effectively.